Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're embarking on a transformative journey together because guess what? It's time to make a change. Are you guilty of making these common post-meal blunders? It's time to make a change and avoid these mistakes to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Mistake number 1. Indulging in a post-meal nap. It may be tempting, lying down after a meal can lead to sluggishness and indigestion. Instead, try going for a short walk to aid digestion and boost energy levels. Mistake number 2. Grabbing a cup of coffee. Consuming caffeine right after a meal can hinder nutrient absorption and lead to dehydration. Opt for a herbal tea or water instead. Mistake number 3. Smoking a cigarette. We all know smoking is harmful. Smoking immediately after a meal can be even worse. It can damage your digestive system and increase the risk of developing various diseases. Mistake number 4. Engaging in intense exercise. Your body needs time to digest the food you've just eaten. So, avoid rigorous workouts immediately after a meal to prevent discomfort and possible stomach issues. Mistake number 5. Drinking alcohol. Alcohol can impair digestion and create digestive problems. It's best to wait at least an hour before having a drink after your meal. Mistake number 6. Eating fruits right after a meal. Fruits digest quickly and should be consumed on an empty stomach for maximum benefits. Eating them with a meal can cause bloating and gas. Mistake number 7. Chewing gum. Although it may freshen your breath, chewing gum can cause excess air intake, leading to bloating and stomach discomfort. Mistake number 8. Consuming large amounts of water. Drinking too much water during or after a meal can dilute stomach acid and hinder digestion. Mistake number 9. Snacking on unhealthy foods. After a meal, it's tempting to reach for a bag of chips or a sugary treat. But these snacks can spike your blood sugar and contribute to weight gain. Opt for healthier alternatives like fruit or nuts instead. Mistake number 10. Skipping a post-meal routine altogether. Taking a few minutes to relax and unwind after a meal can improve digestion and overall well-being. So, remember to give yourself some me time after you finish eating. Thanks for watching this video, and if you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Stay healthy and well, and we'll see you next time.